Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your threads content using Metricool. So to schedule your content, sign into your Metricool account and go to Planning tab. Here you can click either here in this area, or you can just click on Create Post. Both will open the same window. Well, there are two sections of this window. On this section, you will be able to see the preview of your post. And on this section, you will be able to create your post. Well, here are the logos of all the platforms you may have connected with Metricool. And since I'm interested in scheduling my content on threads only, I'm selecting threads and turning off all the other platforms. Now add your image or video and some description. And here is the character limit you need to keep in mind while writing your description. Anyhow, here you can see the preview of your post, whether how it will look like when it will be published. And also, you can check whether how it will look like on different devices. And if you have some extra notes about the post, you can write them here. Now select the time and date you see fit you want your post should go live. And then just click on schedule. Now your post has just been scheduled, and when you hover your cursor on it, it is showing that the status of this post is pending. And if for some reason you want to change the time and date, you can just drag and drop it there. And when your post will be published, the status of the post will change from pending to published. And when you go to your threads account, you can see that the post has just been published, and this is how it will look like. Moreover, if you want to reschedule this post, you can not just drag and drop it to reschedule it. First, open it and duplicate it, and then change its time and date to reschedule it. Since I don't want to, I'm just cancelling it. And when you go to the threads section on the main page, here you will be able to see the stats of your account. And with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months without watermark. And this is how you can schedule your content on threads using Metricool. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.